race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Gogo Thomas. Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas! This is Lynn. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! You've taken the lead! The other racer has taken the lead! Perfect! You're in the lead! Winner! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. This is Toby. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the Daring Docks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! You've taken the lead with Special Boost Button. Brilliant! You've taken the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Superb! You've taken the lead. Winner! A true champion! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Acceleration! With this upgrade, your engine will gain more speed with each turn of the button. Your engine is now a silver racer. Silver racers can race at even greater speeds. Keep winning races to become a gold racer.